And here is our lab environment that you will use during this whole course. Okay, I will give you an overview. We have 4 nodes deployment. Okay, we have two networks: the public network for the client accessor and the cluster network for data replication on the OSD part. Okay, and regarding the hardware requirements, you should, of course, in my case, I use a 4 cores per VMs. Okay, and 8 gig of RAM per VM. Okay, for this deployment that you can use. By you, for my case, you can use the lower sizing if you like. Okay, for each node. Okay, and of course, for those deployment is done on the virtual environment just because we are in the lab environment. Okay, but you, in your case, if you want to reproduce this kind of environment, you can use a VirtualBox, or you can use VMware Workstation or KVM. Okay, and in the next sessions, I will give you the opportunity to have access to purchase a lab environment from us. It's Intelligence. I will create another opportunity for you to purchase this lab environment in order to permit you to directly practice without have some headache to deploy this environment before be able to start this course. Okay, but we will do it all later, and I will let you know. Okay, so how to get the most from this course? First, you should follow the different sequence. Don't jump from the theoretical part to the deployment. Okay, if you're totally new, if you have some expertise, okay, you can jump to the practice. But if you're totally new, please follow first of the theoretical part. The theoretical part will give you all fundamentals that you need to deploy this and first understand the different components that we have into a self-storage cluster architecture. Okay. After that, I'll do all labs that we will have in this course. Also take notes. Okay. Share your experiences to others, and if any other person in this course have some trouble, so do not hesitate to share your knowledge to them. Okay. Me as the instructor, I will be there to reply to different questions that you may have on this course. So thank you very much again. I think that if you're still there, you're interested by this comment, and I hope that we will take this course, or you will be able to register to this course, and also share this comment to this content to other person who may interested by this content. Okay, so thank you very much, and bye, and take care.